coming off on Billy B.
This is all of our rubbish. A toilet! Is he?
There it goes. Is it good?
We're at the tip. This is all of our rubbish. Oh, what do we got today? A toilet! What else have we got? Moldy seats. Oh, very, very old mattress. Moldy mattress. Oh, glass everywhere. Shattered glass.
Look how much there is.
Hey Bill, what's on the wall up here? Oh, is that a whole heap of watches?
Oh, toxic.
Toxic, hazardous waste. Compost. Into compost. Wet. All right. Oh, great job.
Everybody wants that.
Moldy chairs. Oh yeah. What's in those ones? Oh, let's check it out. Ugh. What else is there? What is it? What's in here? What can you see? I can see.
What? That's a waste. Finding someone's yellow ribbon.
Yep, they could have. Whoa. What's this stuff? Cardboard only. What's that sign say? It says
Oh, what is that?
a wasp. He's going over to the donations. Good one. What's this guy doing? You reckon somebody will want that little blue ball?
Blue ball.
What could they do with it?
Why?
Play. Oh look, the fan's working. the wind.
Now, what? I like it.
Which bin do these go in? Toxic? Is that all the way over there? Is that a big going? Is it gonna move some stuff? Oh, we're gonna tip it. Let's go. Going up. There goes all of our rubbish. Ready? Wow. That is awesome. Ready?
Oh, did you hear that? Mom, go to your house now.
All right. Hey, garbage man.
Lettuce. Garbage.
That's a good idea.
That's real lettuce.
Has he? Ah! Ah!
Oh, is that when you do it with a spoon? Sorry, do it with rabbit.
Hey, Bill.
Yeah?
I think Bill the garbage man has got quite dirty at work today.
Yeah. Bag, guys. Guys, open the bag.
What's in the bag? What was it?
Garbage.
Garbage? That looks like recycling. They might not have needed plastic bag. Here it goes.
Quick, Mommy's coming. Outside, go inside.
Alright, I'm going.
Thanks for watching us here on Billy B TV. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe for more garbage truck, recycling and bin adventures.